going to make a slime balloon. This time you need to be very, very careful. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's get started. Then we need some caustic soda, some glass bottle, some aluminum, some water. Okay. I fill the glass bottle with water and I put it down in a water bucket. Alright, now I'm adding caustic soda to our bottle. Alright, then I have aluminum. I have two. I put it down in the bottle. Now we need to put the balloon in right this bottle. Ready? Alright. Okay, our balloon is ready. 1, 2, 3.